Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can recover deleted YouTube comments from our channel. So let's just dive right in and get started. First of all, let's access our YouTube application. And the important thing you need to understand is that once a comment is deleted from YouTube, it cannot be restored directly to it. So there are some workarounds to recover or see the deleted comments. You can follow up the steps for that. Go to your profile in the bottom right and select it. And once you select it, look out for Manage My Google Account and tap on it. After that, you will be taken to the Google Account Managing page. Now, what we need to do is go over and look out for your activity. So go over and find the section for your Google activity, for example, for YouTube comments. You may head over to the Data and Privacy section for that and tap on it. And once you tap on it within Data and Privacy, you can look out for the Wave or the YouTube History option and tap on it and go over there. After that, you should be taken to this page and you can filter it out by the YouTube comments. So you can look out for the Manage History option and tap on it. And within that option, go ahead and look out for the Interaction section. And when you go to Interactions, you can look out for Comments and Reply section and tap on it. And when you go ahead and tap on this option, here you'll be finding the comments that you've posted. So here you can usually look out for the history of comments. So you can look out in the section if it has been completely deleted or not. Sometimes it may be in the section, so you can copy them if you want to repost. Also, if you have notifications for YouTube enabled, you can check your email. So go to your email for that, tap on Gmail, and then within Gmail, you can just go over and look out for the emails provided by YouTube. You may have received the emails of your posted comments here. You can search for those. And if you find it out, you can just go and copy them from your inbox if needed. And that should probably work. Those are probably the solutions. You may follow up those for that. And while YouTube does not let you restore deleted comments directly, these methods help you recover your content history. So if this video helped, like the video and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips.